If you're watching this video, then you've probably already decided that being a locksmith is the career for you, and hopefully you'll have already completed our beginner and intermediate locksmith training courses. Over the last 20 years, the role of a locksmith has changed quite significantly. You've only got to drive down any street in the UK and you'll see that the majority of doors and windows are now made out of uPVC. The locks that are fitted to uPVC and composite doors are very different to the types of locks that you'll find on a more traditional wooden door. Approximately 75% of the work carried out by locksmiths today is carried out on uPVC and more recently composite doors, so it's really important that you have the necessary skills to work on these doors. This course is designed to teach you how to replace and maintain the locks on these types of doors. The trainer on this course has been carrying out work on uPVC and composite doors for over 10 years, so he'll be able to teach you all the things that you need to know to work on these types of doors. This will include how to open a uPVC door that has a faulty multi-point mechanism. Also, how to replace a multi-point mechanism on a uPVC door. You'll also learn how to secure a uPVC door using an overnight lock or sash jammers. We'll teach you how to adjust the alignment on a uPVC door so that it can be closed or locked smoothly. You'll also learn how to open a uPVC window and replace a faulty locking mechanism. As the name suggests, this is an online locksmith course. You won't need to book a week off work to attend. You won't walk away from the course and think, "Oh, I can't remember how we did that." The course is online, which means that you will have unlimited access to the training material. The training courses are broken down into sections. Each section has a professionally filmed video showing you how to carry out each task. You can watch the video, try out your skills, and then watch the video again if you need more help. At the end of the section, there's an online assessment that will put your knowledge to the test. And as already mentioned, you can print off a certificate to prove your knowledge, and this may help you gain work as a locksmith. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video today. If you'd like to view our other locksmith training videos, please visit our YouTube channel or visit our website, which is traintobealocksmithonline.com. Thank you.